Hello everyone, I am Brian. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for your support. Today I am going to be doing an open cut pour using earth tone colors. I'm also using TLP pigments, so that's going to make a huge difference in what the outlook is going to be of this painting. Using TLPs with two paints kind of creates its own type of cells. I'm finding with all my experiments. So I'm trying to go with more of an earth tone using some browns and some reddish browns. So we'll see how that turns out. Let's get down to the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So I've got a little 16 by 20 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. Today with the open cut pour, I'm going with some earth tone colors. And so I'm using my Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. I'm using TLP and Zeus. I'm using Iridescent Pearl from Golden. 24 karat gold from DecoArt. Some burnt sienna from Arteza. And some Cappachino from TLP. And my base coat is going to be titanium white from Creative Inspirations as well. My paints are mixed with just paint and Floetrol, a little bit of water to thin them down to the consistency. All right, time to start. So I'm going to do this painting on the diagonal. So I'm going to start about not quite halfway. I'm going to put a puddle of white. I'm going to put my cup down in the center of that. Going to do a little bit of a seal right around the edge. There we go. All right. I think what I'll do, I'm going to start off with some of the Cappachino, and I'm going to pour up from high. It's going to push down below that white puddle of paint that I put there. That puddle of white paint. So pouring up high, let that sink. Nice. Some burnt sienna. Going to take it easy on the gold. Pearl white, or excuse me, iridescent pearl. The Zeus. And a bunch of blue. Pushing out from the bottom. The cup is moving back towards me, which is perfectly fine, because what I'll do is I'll twist off, come towards me, and I'm going to reset over here on the outside portion of this pour. And what I probably will do is I'll go the reverse order on the paints. I'll start with the blue and come back. And because I'm keeping negative space, hopefully on this ends, I'm gonna wreck it going through. So I'm not gonna need a whole lot of paint. So just one more pour will be enough. All right, I am going to circle back towards me, lifting and pulling over here to the corner, because this will be where the paint's gonna come off. More than likely first. And I'm going to reset right here, half and half. I'm going to put a little bit of white here in the center. A little bit of white on the outside. Just kind of help seal that in. I'm going to go the reverse order. I'm going to put blue, That is the Zeus. Pearl white. Gold. Burnt Siena. Cappachino. And what I'll do is I will scoop around up here towards the top, and then I will drag back through, probably 3 ways. Down, up, and through the center. Give it a little torch. Gonna lift, twist, right here to this corner. Now I'm gonna lift up my cup, kind of just zigzag through here, back up through the outside here, and come back through the center here and off. Got tons of paint on here, which is fine, because then that's going to allow me to get the composition I want. Can move it this way and move it back that way. Let's pick up, float this down, right. Here to the left. We're going to lose a lot of this on the end down here. Bring this back this way. leave it right there. So I think I kind of like it this way. All right, let's give it a torch. Okay guys, here we are with the wet result. I'm really loving this. The piggies really interacted with the two paints in a weird kind of way. It created cells, but it also kind of created like this hazing effect. I'll show you what I mean when I bring you in here. So look how things are just selling up like crazy, which is really cool. I love this earth tone shades, perfect. White negative space over here. But you can see here where the colors are starting to kind of like, it looks like they're kind of hazy. But look how the cells stretched out, created very much like boulder cells. All right, let's see this dry. All right, guys, here we are with the dried result. Look how these TLP pigments dried with the two paints. So cool. That iridescent pearl running through there. All right, everyone, that is the piece. Look how this dried. Just fantastic. I'm loving the negative space over here, but the earth tone browns and the golds and the reddish browns going through here with a hint of the Payne's gray blue running through it. I just love this piece. The TLP pigments mixing in with the two paints really created its own little unique look. It looks very, that iridescent pearl kind of just really runs through everything in here. I loved it so much. It's really, really cool. So this will get some gloss varnish, go up on my website, be ready to sell. But you can take this class with me at the Fluid Art Experience in September. Make sure you head over there. You can get your tickets now while they're still available. All right, everyone, I'll see you next time. Everyone have a great rest of the week. Bye-bye.